So I've been out here with this old Skidoo. It's January 1st, 2026. Happy New Year, yeah. I was out here trying to get this thing started. It took me quite a while to get this thing started. I had to adjust the curbs, idles, you know, on the side, just adjust the drum up. Two full turns to get this thing started. I took the plugs out, I tried everything, she just would not kick over. Now, that's got me concerned. Look at the headlight. It's got me concerned. As you look at the headlight, I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that or what, but when I first got the machine, I never did that. It stayed nice and bright. It didn't jump up and down. So I figured there's something going on. Either it's a stator in it, or however it's hooked up. I tried hooking up the battery up to you see my other videos on this thing, how to hook a battery up on this old machine. That is the rectifier is no good, and I had to replace it. So I went on the Chinesium website, ordered 5, and there it is right there. You can see it right there. And there's a regulator, and there's one also there too. But when I rev her up, put the voltmeter to it, I'll set it right here. Battery's dying on this damn thing. Stay tight. Okay, she's reading 12.13 volts, right? Now, key out. It's not charging over 13. It was before. Now it's only going as far as that. But I know it dropped. Now it's rating 12.15. Yeah. .15 it was reading. So as I start her, it's drawing juice from the battery. So I know what's going on. It sounds like the stator's going in this. But yeah, I was out here cranking that's the battery and trying to get this thing going. I think it's all wet and condensation. Now the motor's all nice and dry. Zoom out. The motor's all nice and dry now. There's condensation all over the whole motor and probably in the stator. But I priced the stator for this, so I don't know if it's worth or not, but I can get one for a brand new one for $169 online from real distributors. Probably other places cheaper. probably eBay or something like that. But the light is dim when she's idling, but as soon as you rev her up, it brightens. My old machine, the old Olympic, used to do that. Used to dim, and then you crack her, and then she'll brighten up. But when I first got this machine years ago, it never did that. Sitting around doesn't help either. This weather, we don't have no snow. Can't go cruising and keep it dry, but we got fluctuation of weather bad. It's either too cold or too warm or too whatever. But it's got... For me to work on this, I got to take the whole engine out to take this plate off to get at the stator. Because the battery box is riveted in there. You can't take it out. So that's going to be like, it's going to be a summer job. I was going to do it this year, but complications happened. Mother passed away. Did my hand, this hand here, bone starts sticking out. I hurt it years ago. Now it's rubbing against cords and tendons and blah blah blah. Anyway, I'll go and work on it. So hopefully this gets warmer again. Yeah, I'm able to drive it, no problem. But what happens? The stator quits, and I mean, I had to change spark plugs in this damn thing to get it started. I got a whole whack of them right here. A whole whack of spark plugs sitting in there. Because I have to buy new sparks for this thing every freaking year. Every year. But, it gets monotonous, but I know when it gets colder, I'm going to get more snow. I'm going to have to adjust the idle screws for the drums out so you won't idle too high. Because right now it's what, +5 or 3 out here right now. But yeah, she's not charging. Usually if that's the pace, there was those rectifiers years ago, but that's done. That's been in there for at least 5 years. That rectifier. I got a new one in the house, but to change it, don't know. I can to find out, but why it's the sense of doing that? It's New Year's. I'm gonna sit back and relax, take her easy, and work on this another time. I mean, it runs perfectly, but I like to have a battery in it, so I can just hit the key and start. But hit the key on this now. Put the key in. All that one that it was on a cold day where it was before 2 turns out, it was island 1, but when I had this thing started, it was island below 1. It was almost on 0. It was, just didn't want to run at all. It just try play with the throttle. I don't know. That's what you get for an old machine. And she's old. She's 1990. So, yeah. I think that's about it with this. I don't know anything else to add to this, but my battery's dying on my camera, so I'll close this out. I may change the rectifier in this. I have another one in the house. They usually go on these, but hey, I have another one in the house. It's brand new. Even though it's a Chinese, I ordered 5 in a package. Everything's all not Chinese. Anyway, that's about it. I think you guys take it easy. Have a good New Year, and I hope this year will be a better one than last year. Anyway, take it easy. Peace.